Good morning, class 5th. Today again we have started chapter number 5, that is the health, disease and the hygiene. At the last time we have discussed about the way to prevent communicable disease. Today we have learned about the vaccinations and deficiency disease. Some communicable disease like a polio, tetanus, typhoid can be prevented by the vaccinations, and the vaccination is the method of introducing dead or weak disease causing germs into the body, and it is either injected or given orally, and these are known as the vaccine. As a vaccine enters the human body, antibodies are formed, and these antibodies protect the body against a particular disease. Vaccine for the different disease are given at a specific age. Again, I have repeated, vaccination is the method of introducing dead or weak disease causing germs into the body, and these are known as the vaccine. As the vaccine enters the human body, antibodies are formed, and antibodies protect the body against a particular disease. And here I have shown you some deficiency disease. We need to have a balanced diet. If a person does not eat enough amount of a balanced food, it leads to undernourishment, and minerals and vitamins are nutrients that keep us healthy, and through minerals and vitamins are taken in a small quantity, but in their absence we have deficiency and fall sick, and thus the disease caused are called deficiency disease. Some example of a deficiency disease are night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets and the anemia. Here it will show that deficiency disease. Here the lack of the vitamins or the minerals, and the deficiency disease, and food rich in the nutrients. Protein deficiency disease are thin body except stomach, and food rich in nutrients, beans, fish, chicken, egg and the milk. Protein and carbohydrate deficiency disease are thin body, visible bones, dry loose skin, and the food rich in these nutrients, beans, fish, chicken, egg, milk, carols, butter and the oil. And the iron, it is a anemia. The person gets very tired easily, apple, banana, guava and the dates. Iodine, it is a neck get swollen, iodized salt, seafood, etc. And the calcium, bones become a weak and a soft, tooth decay. Food rich in these nutrients, it is a egg, milk and dairy products. Phosphorus, bones weak and the brittle, milk, green vegetables and the cereals. Vitamin A, night blindness, carrot, mango, butter, egg yolk. Vitamin B, beriberi, beans, meat and the egg. Vitamin C, scurvy, it is an orange, tomato, lemon, amla. And the vitamin D, it is a rickets, fish, egg, milk and the butter. And vitamin E, early aging, it is a milk and the egg. Vitamin K, delayed clotting of a blood, it is a fish liver oil, milk and the egg. And this is a vitamins, minerals and their deficiency diseases. And today I have bundle session here, and today's your question is, what are deficiency disease and how can we prevent them? Again I have repeated, what are deficiency disease and how can we prevent them? And thank you class, and we have meet in our next video.